Hey everybody, how you doing? Jade Molina here with the Dunamis Project. Hey, if you're receiving this video, it's because you attended the last Dunamis gathering or you were invited and you just couldn't make it for whatever reason, but I wanted to keep you on the distribution list so that you could know what was going on if you wanted to attend the next one. But anyway, this video is to just kind of let you know that it's been a little over a week since we last met. It was an absolute pleasure meeting those of you that I didn't know before. Absolute pleasure in having those of you attend that I do know. I feel like we really had a sense of camaraderie and a sense of direction, and that we all want to be part of one heart and one mind in this project that we're putting together. What I want to let you know in this video is that over the last week I've really been praying and thinking through and planning through what we might do in the up and coming months. So I feel like I've heard from the Lord. I feel like I have some direction on where to go. I've talked with some of the adult leaders and I'm really excited. So as part of this video, I'm asking that you go and check your email. I sent you an email that actually has a document attached to it that lays out where we're going to go, what we're going to study, what we're going to do together. I'm not sure exactly where we're going to meet yet. We will be meeting in a different place than we met last time, but I would love to have you back. We're going to meet the first weekend of every month for the month of November, December, and January, and that's all in the documentation. So please look over that. I also supplied you with a bunch of resources. So if you have questions just about faith and reliability of the Word and the Bible, I put a bunch of stuff in that document for you as well that we'll discuss the next time we get together. So please look that over. Please let me know if you're not going to be able to make it. I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the next Dunamis gathering. And please remember, if you came before and you still have a couple people that you want to invite or bring, you know the seriousness of this and what we're trying to accomplish here. So please invite somebody, and then we'll get them on our list when they come in November. So once again, look for that email. Look for continuing communication from me. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me, text me, email me, or you can even reach out to the other adult sponsor from your school that invited you to the original meeting. Looking forward to it. May blessings be upon you. I'll continue to be praying for you, and I look forward to seeing you here in a few weeks. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.